How to automate your Facebook ad? Well, that is what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So welcome friends to this new video today, and we'll be discussing how to automate your Facebook ad and what is the benefit of automation of your Facebook ad. Well, let me before going ahead and showing you how to do it, let me tell you like why this feature has been given by Facebook. Well, the obvious reason is that when you want a certain amount of control on your Facebook ad, then you can set this particular automation by which you can control your ad, you can control your budget, and you will come to know like where exactly you are meeting your goals. So this is a great feature, and it should be used if you have a limited budget or if you have a certain goal to meet. Then this particular automation can be used, and let me show you like how you can do it. So I'm in my ad manager right now. So for automating the ad, you can select a particular ad. So I have already selected it by clicking on this box. If I go and like select on this box, it gets selected, and just below that you can see the option called rules. So if I click on rules, and there are three options that Facebook gives me, and the first one is create a new rule, then apply an existing rule, and manage rules. So if I click on create a new rule in this scenario, then this is what the window pops up, and what are the options that I see is that the first option is apply rule to campaign 1 campaign. So the automation of the rule the automation of the Facebook ad is not only applicable to a particular ad, but you can automate on a campaign level or an ad set level or an active ad as well. So you have that flexibility like where exactly you want that automation to get applied. And the second option is action. So what is the action you want Facebook to take, whether you want to turn off that campaign or whether you want to turn on the campaign or send notification only. So these are the features, or these are the actions that Facebook provides you within this automation of Facebook ad. Then the next option comes up is condition. So condition is nothing but when you want your action to be taken when this condition are being met. So suppose say in this case, if I click on this drop down menu, it gives me a list of condition like spend, lifetime spend, frequency, result, cost per result, mobile app install, and you can see a lot many conditions are there. Time condition is there, website conversion settings, cost per website conversion. So it depends on like what condition you want to be met, so that you want to take Facebook that particular action that you have selected in the previous option. So in this case, I will select cost per result. So what is cost per result? If I click on this, the average cost per result from your ads. So suppose say if I am running a lead gen ad, and if I want a particular lead within rupees X. So if if Facebook is getting that lead for more than rupees X, then the Facebook ad that I'm running will get turned off, because I have set up a rule which says that it should be less than, like smaller than. Suppose if I click on smaller than rupees 10, then what happens? I want Facebook to turn off that particular campaign. So in this case, this is the action that I want Facebook to take, or this is the action, this is the condition that has to be met when this particular action will be taken. So this way you can give a condition to take the action by Facebook. And the second, the next option that Facebook gives you is like when this condition should be met and when this action should be taken up. So you have to give a time range. So if I click on this drop down menu, it gives you whether you want this action to be taken today, or whether this has to be yesterday or last 2 days, 3 days. So these are the time range. So you can select according to your requirement. Then comes the attribution window. So the attribution window is nothing but if I click on this I button, it says this allow you to track the action taken due to your ad during a particular time period. So for an example, you have a website and a visitor comes to your website and he signs up for that newsletter on the same day. That means the conversion happened on day 1. But suppose say in a second scenario, a person comes to your website he doesn't sign up for your newsletter, and he comes back to your website again after 7 days and he signs up for your newsletter. That means the conversion happens in 7 days. So what is the attribution window that you want to set up for that particular ad? So by default, Facebook gives you an option of 28 days. You can see here. So if you want your conversion to happen, or that credit to be given by Facebook to your conversion within 28 days, you can select it, or else you can select 7 days or 1 day. So these are the options that that you can select, that by which you want Facebook to give a credit to your conversion, and within what day you want to select. You can select from this option. So now you have to schedule that rule. So this is self-explanatory, like whether you want to continuously run that rule, or you want to run that rule daily at a particular time period, or like you can customize that particular schedule. Then comes the notification option. So whenever Facebook meets that rule, you can be notified by Facebook via email ID. Then you have to give a name to that rule, just for your identification of that rule that you are running, or that you have set for automating your Facebook ad. So these are the features, or these are the options by which you can automate your Facebook ad. And this is a great feature if you have a limited budget, or if you want to meet a certain goal within a limited time period. Then you can set up this automation of this Facebook ad, and this will give you a great insight, like how your Facebook ad is running, or how it is performing. And if it is not meeting the rule within a certain time period, then you can make changes to your Facebook ad, or to your creative, or to your ad copy, or to the interest level that you have targeting. So that way you can make changes, and this will give you a good amount of insight, like whether you are meeting the rule by selecting a particular interest level and particular demographic. So make use of this feature in the right way, because if you don't select the action or the condition in the right way, then it might not meet the goal that you are looking for. So this is a very important feature, and it has to be used in a very wisely manner. Then it can yield a great amount of result for your Facebook ad that you are running. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you feel that you have got some value out of it, then please like this video, and make sure you go and subscribe to this channel as well, because in the future I'll be posting this kind of videos on a regular basis, and you will be getting a lot of benefit out of it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great day. Bye bye.